What's up, guys? This is my first video on Gorilla Tag. So yeah, this is my first ever video, and you should subscribe for more. And I'll do some big scary videos. What you should okay? We're just gonna go in a not a public lobby, because they're too. Let's check out the new. Let's check out the new update. Let's check the new update for Monkey Blocks, because there has been a new update in Monkey Blocks. So let's check it out.
It's in virtual. The Rising Lava.
And there's some this stuff.
I'm sure they'll explain it since everyone's doing it there.
Oh my god, bro. I'm just gonna.
Everyone.
So let's go to Monkey Blocks.
Did they make it to where hoverboards you can actually speed up again?
Let's go to the place that
So,
get skateboard.
and you should subscribe for more. And if you haven't, hit that like button, because it'll mean a lot. What is this?
Hey?
Okay, we're just gonna.
This right there. Oh wait, no. There we go.
Here, you would just like, just.
Isn't this kind of
Wait, I don't need it. So, if you come in here, and what the hell?
Okay, maybe we don't need some trees.
What is up here? Okay, I cannot climb. But he going. Oh my god. And what is this? But that's cool. And if you just go up here, there's this, which is shared by my Monkey Blocks. So let's go. Let's go in this. So let's just wait in. Oh, okay.
A map in here.
So,
Oh, you broke my lance! God damn it.
so
Ooh, press the turbo button.
let's just go and.
Does
If you want, you could
know
there's
how
just
to
a
make
slide here, so
Come on, go to my
and you could build
Come on,
your
go to
own
my
stuff.
regular
Okay,
map.
let's just try to
How do you make a map?
go there, but
If you wanna go to my
yeah.
map, if you wanna go to my regular map, join my name. Wait, how do you make a map?
Guys, we want to share the map.
Join my name if you wanna go to my regular map.
Great. How do you make a map?
I'll teach you how to get in the code. Wait, how do you get hoverboard?
So I don't know what's at the end of this, but
Can you teach me?
we still got a lot. You know what?
Not right now.
What is that? I'm just gonna jump off because
No, what?
Okay, everybody needs
it
to
would
get
take
inside. Okay, everybody
long.
need to get inside.
What is this? Like a maze? It doesn't. That's a gorilla holding
Really nice.
this
I'm
thing.
gonna show you something really cool. Now it took
Can
hours
somebody
to
teach
make.
me how to get hoverboard?
Oh, you could hold on to this.
Guys, everyone come inside.
Then we'll climb.
Get back to the lobby.
And what is this?
Gang.
That's just random
Wait.
stuff. That's just random stuff.
Wait, what is this?
Come
Okay,
with the top
see?
out. You two.
Okay.
You two.
Okay, done.
You hooligans. Come here. Come here. Hooligans. You two. Hooligans. We are trying to load a new map. Get in the lobby. Go into the area. You with the top hat. Sir.
A new lobby. Alright,
Sir.
a new map.
What?
Let me just.
Come on.
No.
How do you place blocks?
If the world.
How do you place blocks?
Whatever.
Like this.
I give up.
Oh,
I
Dodge.
give up trying to load a new map. Whatever.
Okay,
Wait, how did you get that? Black, how did you get
let's
that?
just go in a private lobby. Because there's too much people. And I want to check out.
Show me.
this stuff without them. So, once we do that, make sure you subscribe in 5 seconds. Like, you can't do this. Do the like button and subscribe, but you can hit that subscribe, just boop. Okay, we are not loading in. What is taking so long? I'm gonna join my fan code, and if you don't know what it is, it's DEN. Den. Okay, and let's just. So we are out, and I think we're gonna join a public lobby. Oh, okay, we joined it. So let's just check out some stuff. There's that, which I don't know what it is, but it looks fun. Let's just. Yeah, I think I'm stuck. Oh wait, no. So, how do you meant to? Oh, yeah, there's a thing there, and it's creative, and it's just me. So, yeah, I think we're in a private lobby, and let's just go. Why stuck? Oh, I'm not stuck. So wall climbing. And oh. Let's try getting up there. Or we could just. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my god. That did not work. And what's this? Okay, let's just go back, because so I bet you go. So this like some stuff. Let's just go back, because I do not know how to build and do stuff. So yeah, so I like it. I like new update. Freeze tag. Perfection. Oh, we could. That's new. And so that's the new update. And you could go check it out. And make sure you join my fan code, because you might see me there. And you could be in a video like these. So yeah, I'm just gonna and there's something new about this. So there's something new about this place, and it's in the new update. I don't know what it is yet, but It's this. You can't go in and do stuff with it, but you can do like, you could like build one, and yeah, so you could just do that. And if you want, you can just like chill in there, build some stuff. Well, I don't know if you could build some stuff anyways. This is a green screen, so you could green screen me anywhere. So, but we're gonna do that in another video, and I bet you can just, so these are crystals and I see myself, but that is it, guys. That's it for today. I'll make some another videos. Bye bye. Hit that subscribe button. Bye bye.